Flanked by masked police officers, Salah Abdeslam refused to stand up at his trial in Brussels and told the judge that he would not answer questions. The only surviving suspect in the November 2015 Paris attacks, which killed 130 people, Abdeslam is in court over a police shootout in the Belgian capital the following year, which eventually led to his arrest. Abdeslam told the judge, "I do not wish to respond to any questions. I defend myself by keeping silent. Muslims are judged and treated without pity. There is no presumption of innocence." Outside the courtroom, his lawyer refused to comment on his client's decision.
All I can say is that we talked about procedural problems, the fact that there are new civil parties and what his feelings were all about this.
4 police officers were wounded by gunfire in the Brussels shootout. Abdeslam and another man, Sofiane Ayari, also on trial, escaped, but were later arrested in the city. Abdeslam's appearance in court was the first in public since his arrest. His long hair and beard, a contrast to photos of him released by police when he was on the run. Going into this trial, one of the big questions had been whether or not Salah Abdeslam would break his silence. Since his arrest, he has been in jail in France, where he faces another trial over the Paris attacks. And each time he has been questioned by French investigators, he has refused to talk. The head of a French victims association said Abdeslam's refusal to cooperate with the justice system was a lack of respect.
He confirmed his disrespectful attitude towards the judicial authorities. Disrespectful and provocative. He says he can't stand up because he is tired. We see his cynicism, but then we expected little else.
The prosecutor has requested a prison sentence of up to 20 years for attempted murder. If Abdeslam remains silent under questioning, it could speed up proceedings, and the trial could close before it was scheduled to end on Friday. Natacha, Butler, Jazeera, Brussels, Belgium.